What's up, nerds and virgins? It's your boy APE Crypto, and today I'll be talking about Yummi Universe and some huge news that makes me super bullish on the future of this NFT set. But before we do that, I'd appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell if you're into regular CNFT and NFT content of the highest quality. And while you're at it, make sure you follow me on Twitter to keep up with regular news and update at APE Crypto YT, and make sure you follow my own project, Nerds and Virgins, at Nerds CNFT. So Yummi Universe. If you've been in the CNFT space for a while, you'd know that this is one of the blue chips, ranking in at number 6, and with 4.6 million ADA in volume in total, and with a 500 ADA floor. Yummi Universe is undoubtedly one of the biggest projects, and it recently had some huge news in Project Yummi, which is a play-to-earn game, where you can assemble your deck, battle Yummi online or play adventure mode, compete in tournaments to win huge Yummi prizes, rinse through the ranks and become the very best, and you can use Yummi to buy NFT card packs, enter tournaments and more. And here's a little snippet of the early game development, sticking with this cute theme that everyone loves in the Yummi Universe community and in the Cardano community. So this is huge news, and it caused the floor price of the 10k set to go absolutely bonkers, sitting at 150 ADA floor on the 17th, now at the time of recording all the way up to 500 ADA. And it completely makes sense with the amount of value that this play to earn game and their token is bringing to Yummi Universe holders. So first of all, this is bringing utility to this set. So before, they were a cute profile picture and looked very good, and they still sustained a great floor and they were still very popular. But now, with actual utility in a battle type game, these NFTs have actual use cases, which in turn gives them value. So that is really awesome. So it says here, assemble your deck and use Yummi to buy an NFT card pack. Well, if you go back to season 1 with the trading cards, you'll receive these updated ones that are playable in the game. And with these, you also receive their token in a one-time airdrop in Yummi, which is awesome as well, and will actually have value which you can turn back into ADA or even fiat. And of course, each card has special stats to help you in battle in game. And they've also got the Project Yummi marketplace coming, which is a custom NFT marketplace made for all, just for their NFTs, which allows you to list Yummi NFTs in ADA or Yummi, allows you to bid, buy or loan assets and enjoy lower fees. And they also have their Naru Village, which allows you to connect your wallet to the village and enjoy the on-chain activities from their web app. You can stake your Narus and your Yummi, participate in DAO governance, and have other utility features like DeFi primitives, raffles, and more. So these latest announcements have just been absolutely insane, and no wonder why they have rocketed the value of this set. And when this gets implemented, I do believe we'll continue to see these prices rise. Yummi Universe really does have all the characteristics to continue to rise in value due to a new added utility, as well as having a huge community already with 30,000 followers and 12,000 Discord members. And with already being a CNFT blue chip, I truly believe the sky's the limit, and I believe Yummi Universe will be almost like a very popular brand. And if this game is successful, the Yummi token can of course grow in value as well. I believe this will be airdropped to holders, from my understanding, and if I'm wrong, correct me in the comment section below, but as shown in the past with Pavia, this can be highly profitable. If you look back last year, when Pavia airdropped their token to token holders, it was a lot lower in value compared to what it is today. That's a 3 to 4x. So by literally just holding, you get airdropped the token that will most certainly grow in value with utility. You should be able to trade the Yummi token on Yummi's official marketplace, as well as maybe Muesli Swap, and as well as Sunday Swap eventually, and on a host of other dexes when the Cardano ecosystem begins to blossom. So along with the Yummi NFTs doing well, I think the game will be good, and with the game being successful, the Yummi token will be successful as well. So long story short, there is plenty of ADA and Yummi to be made, which at the end of the day is what we're all here for. In saying that, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice, so please do diligence and do your own research before investing in any NFT. I'm a dude that sits at home and talks to you about photos of JPEG. I don't have a crystal ball, I'm just a regular guy like you. So please do your own research, because I am no financial advisor. I can guarantee that. I'm human too. So let me know in the comment section below, what do you think of these huge updates by Yummi Universe? Do you think this will cause Yummi Universe NFTs to absolutely skyrocket and continue to grow in value? And do you think the Yummi token will grow in value as I predict as well? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm bullish on this, and I'm very happy to be in on this project myself. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I'll leave all the valid links in the description. If you enjoyed this video and most importantly found it valuable, I'd really appreciate it if you like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you can keep up with everything to do with CNFTs and NFTs from other chains as well. I'm APE Crypto, the leader of Nerds and Virgins. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you virgins all next time.